Today, God has a message for you. If you're watching this, it's not by accident. God wants you to know that the battle you've been facing is temporary. The stress, the worry, and the sleepless nights will not last forever. Right now, God is working behind the scenes in ways you cannot see. The door that seems closed today may be the very door He opens tomorrow. Don't let fear control your decisions. Don't let doubt steal your peace. Trust God. Keep praying.